Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the 2023 Nobel Prize in Physics. I chose this topic because it explores how we can observe extremely fast processes that occur on the scale of electrons. The prize was awarded for experimental methods that generate attosecond pulses of light, for the study of electron dynamics in matter. An attosecond is an incredibly short unit of time. It is 1/quintillionth of a second, or 10 to the negative 18 seconds. At this time scale, electrons move within atoms and molecules. Understanding electron motion is essential because it forms the basis of chemical reactions and physical processes. However, for a long time, it was impossible to directly observe such rapid movements. Scientists developed techniques to produce extremely short pulses of light, known as attosecond pulses. These pulses act like ultra-fast cameras that can capture electron motion in real time. To generate these pulses, researchers used high-intensity laser fields. When a laser interacts with atoms, it can produce high-energy light in very short bursts. By carefully controlling this process, scientists were able to create attosecond pulses. Using these pulses, researchers can study how electrons move and how they respond to external forces. This provides detailed insight into processes such as ionization and energy transfer. The ability to observe electron dynamics opens new possibilities in science. For example, it can improve our understanding of chemical reactions and material properties. It may also lead to advances in electronics and photonics. I find this discovery very fascinating because it allows us to observe events that were previously invisible. It shows how advances in technology can push the limits of human knowledge. In the future, attosecond science may lead to new techniques for controlling electron behavior. This could result in faster electronic devices and more efficient energy systems. Even though these processes occur at an extremely small scale, they have a significant impact on the world around us. This award reminds us that studying the smallest scales can lead to the biggest discoveries. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the 2023 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. I chose this topic because it focuses on nanotechnology and how tiny materials can produce powerful and useful effects. The prize was awarded for the discovery and synthesis of quantum dots. Quantum dots are extremely small particles, typically only a few nanometers in size. A nanometer is 1/billionth of a meter, which is far smaller than what we can see with the naked eye. At this scale, materials behave differently from their bulk forms. One of the most important features of quantum dots is that their optical properties depend on their size. This means that by changing the size of the particle, scientists can control the color of light it emits. Smaller quantum dots emit blue light, while larger ones emit red light. This size-dependent behavior is a direct result of quantum mechanics. Before this discovery, controlling the color of emitted light with such precision was very difficult. The development of reliable methods to produce quantum dots was a major breakthrough. Scientists were able to create particles with uniform size and stable properties. This made it possible to use quantum dots in practical applications. Today, quantum dots are widely used in display technologies, such as televisions and monitors. They provide bright colors, high contrast, and energy efficiency. Quantum dots are also used in biological imaging. For example, they can be attached to molecules inside cells, allowing scientists to track biological processes. In addition, they have potential applications in solar cells and medical diagnostics. I find this discovery very fascinating because it shows how controlling matter at the nanoscale can lead to entirely new properties. It demonstrates the power of combining physics and chemistry at very small scales. In the future, quantum dots may lead to further innovations in electronics, medicine, and energy technology. Even though they are extremely small, their impact on technology is very large. This award reminds us that working at the smallest scale can produce the most colorful and useful results. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the 2023 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. I chose this topic because it explains a groundbreaking technology that played a key role in responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. The prize was awarded for discoveries concerning nucleoside base modifications that enabled the development of effective mRNA vaccines. Messenger RNA, or mRNA, is a molecule that carries genetic instructions from DNA to cells. It tells cells how to produce specific proteins. Scientists had long considered using mRNA as a medical tool. However, early attempts faced serious challenges. One major problem was that synthetic mRNA triggered strong immune reactions. The body recognized it as foreign and caused inflammation, making it difficult to use safely. Researchers discovered that modifying certain nucleosides in mRNA could reduce this unwanted immune response. These modifications allowed the mRNA to enter cells more efficiently and produce proteins without causing harmful inflammation. This breakthrough made mRNA technology practical for medical use. Using this approach, scientists developed mRNA vaccines. These vaccines work by delivering mRNA that encodes a viral protein into the body. Cells then produce this protein, which trains the immune system to recognize and respond to the actual virus. This method does not use live viruses, making it safer and faster to develop. During the COVID-19 pandemic, mRNA vaccines were developed in a remarkably short time. They played a crucial role in reducing severe illness and saving lives worldwide. In addition to vaccines, mRNA technology has potential applications in treating other diseases. For example, it may be used in cancer therapy and the treatment of genetic disorders. I find this discovery extremely important because it transformed a long-standing scientific idea into a practical medical solution. It shows how basic research can lead to rapid responses in global health crises. In the future, mRNA technology may open new possibilities in medicine. Even though the concept is simple, its impact is profound. This award reminds us that innovation in molecular biology can directly improve human health. Thank you.